Okay, let's just jump right into it. Welcome to this explainer. If you live in Chicago, dealing with the unified utility bill, your water, sewer, and garbage services, it can honestly feel like a massive chore. But today, we're going to completely transform that municipal headache into a seriously powerful digital tool.
I mean, seriously, are you tired of all that paper clutter? The absolute stress of misplacing a physical bill, and then boom, you get hit with late fees? Or maybe you just want a faster, secure way to manage your budget without waiting in those endless lines. Well, today, we're walking step by step through the official 24/7 Chicago online utility portal to solve exactly that.
So here's our game plan for today. We're going to cover why paying online is the way to go, how to access the portal, choosing your payment methods, troubleshooting glitches, staying safe from scams, and finally some really great assistance programs.
All right, Section 1, Why Pay Online? Let's talk about the perks of the Chicago portal. Okay, get this. Believe it or not, where you live drastically changes how much it costs just to, pay your bill. Like, if you look at neighboring places, say Itasca or New Chicago, they charge around a 3% convenience fee just to swipe a credit card. But the city of Chicago? They actually absorb all of those transaction fees. That means when you process your payments directly through the official portal using a credit card, a debit card, or an e-check, it is literally 100% free. Talk about a win.
Moving right along to Section 2, Accessing the Payment Portal. You've basically got two paths to pay.
So when you go to log in, you're looking at two distinct paths. First up is Quick Pay. This is basically just guest access, right? It's absolutely perfect for a one-off payment because you don't even have to bother creating permanent credentials. But if you take just a couple of extra minutes to create a registered account, it unlocks some massive benefits. We're talking paperless billing, historical usage data so you can actually track your water consumption, and the ability to set up automated recurring payments.
Now, before you choose either of those paths, you're going to need your account number. And hey, this is a really crucial detail. You absolutely must use the exact 12-digit format, complete with the dash right in the middle. See, the Chicago system specifically requires two 6-digit sequences separated by a dash. Other regional billing systems get super confused by this, like nearby Roselle uses a totally different format. So to avoid instantly getting annoying error messages, make sure you type your Chicago account number exactly as it appears on your physical statement.
So let's say you decide to go the Quick Pay route. It is a beautifully simple 5-step process. First off, locate your account using that 12-digit number we just talked about, plus your zip code. Second, verify your balance. Make sure it looks right. Third, enter your preferred payment details. Fourth, carefully review the confirmation screens summarizing the whole transaction. And finally, step 5, authorize it and download your receipt. Boom, done. It's incredibly accessible, even if you are a complete beginner to paying stuff online.
All right, on to Section 3, Choosing Your Payment Method. We'll look at standard versus installment options.
When it actually comes to funding these payments, the city gives you two main automated routes. First is autopay. This links directly to your bank account and automatically debits your full balance right on the due date, totally for free. But if things are a bit tight and you need some cash flow flexibility, you can actually use integrated third-party services like Deferit. Basically, they pay your bill in full upfront, and then you pay them back in 4 bi-weekly installments. Now, quick heads up on that. Deferit does require a monthly membership, and they tack on a 99-cent processing fee per bill. But honestly, it's a fantastic tool for splitting up those large, unexpected water charges.
Let's jump into Section 4, Troubleshooting and Technical Glitches. Time for a quick reality check.
Because look, while autopay is incredibly convenient, a specific glitch back in October 2022 perfectly underscores why you still need to practice independent account monitoring. Basically, a system update caused roughly 3,580 autopay customers to get hit with multiple, identical debits. Yeah, duplicate and even triplicate charges, which obviously causes a massive instant headache for your personal checking account. Now, to be fair, the city reversed the errors pretty quickly, but the lesson definitely stands. Always review your bank statements against your utility bills, even when you've got them on autopilot.
And hey, have you ever forgotten your password and found yourself completely locked out? It happens to the best of us. If you fail to log in multiple times on this portal, you're going to get a warning forcing you to enter a CAPTCHA image to proceed. But I've got a great insider workaround for you. Don't panic, and definitely don't squint trying to decipher those weird wavy letters. Just go ahead and click the Forgot Password link. Doing that completely bypasses the CAPTCHA prompt, letting you quickly reset your credentials and get right back in. Super easy.
Which brings us to Section 5, Staying Safe from Scams and Guarding Your Data.
Here's the thing. Scammers know exactly how convenient digital payments are, and they love to use email spoofing to trick residents. They'll blast out emails that look exactly like they came straight from the city, urgently telling you to click a link to pay a fake overdue bill. So please, memorize this golden rule. When in doubt, just manually type utilitybill.chicago.gov right into your browser. Actually, scratch that. Make it a habit. Never blindly click links in emails, avoid third-party search engine traps where fake sites pop up at the top of your search results, and always verify that chicago.gov is actually in the web address before you even think about typing in a single credit card digit.
All right, our final main part, Section 6, Assistance Programs and Resources. This is basically the city's safety net.
And I gotta say, these programs act as some incredibly powerful life hacks. For example, if you qualify as low income, the Utility Billing Relief, or UBR, program slices your water, sewer, and tax charges by a massive 50%. Plus, it completely halts late penalties and debt collection. Amazing, right? Then there's the Leak Relief program. This one can actually offset those absolute nightmare bills caused by undetected underground plumbing failures, dropping your bill back down to its normal historical average. And hey, if you're just running a bit behind, you can easily set up a formal installment agreement online with zero down payment. It's a lifesaver.
Now, if you ever get stuck navigating the website, don't worry, you definitely aren't alone. You can literally just pick up the phone and call customer service at 312-744-4426. They've got live agent support during business hours, or you can use their 24/7 automated line. Or, if you decide you just prefer handling things in the physical world, you always have options. You can visit the City Hall Payment Center, use those neighborhood Easy Pay automated kiosks, or simply mail a good old-fashioned check to their P.O. box.
So really, what are you waiting for? Are you ready to ditch the paper clutter once and for all? Take action today. Head over to utilitybill.chicago.gov, set up that account, and just experience the time and money savings firsthand. Automate those payments, keep an eye on your usage, and definitely leverage those relief programs if you need them. Honestly, mastering this portal is one of the absolute easiest ways to streamline your life in the city.
Just one quick final note before we wrap up, municipal policies and digital platforms do evolve over time. The procedures we covered today are based on the latest data as of our July 2026 recording, so please always verify with official city channels for the absolute most current info. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. It really makes you wonder, right? If navigating your utility bill can actually be this easy, what other local life hacks are just hiding in plain sight in your city?